Breaking news from Himachal Pradesh, the peaceful valley of Mandi turned into a scene of destruction after multiple cloudbursts and floods. Amid the rising anger and questions, where is the MP of Mandi, Kangana Ranaut? Now the actress turned politician breaks her silence, reaches ground zero, and hits back at critics. The Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh has been ravaged by heavy floods, cloudbursts, and massive destruction. Roads washed away, bridges broken, lives shattered. And in this middle of this tragedy, all eyes were on BJP MP Kangana Ranaut, who was missing from the scene until now. Kangana, now in Mandi, addressed the media.
सरकार ने ही देखिए अब आर्मी लगी हुई है यहाँ पे रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में पूरी, तो आर्मी के सारे काम है। हम लोगों की जो पार्टी है उसकी ग्रुप्स बने हुए हैं अलग अलग, जहाँ जहाँ स्थिति ख़राब है उसके अपने अपने चेयरमैन हैं, अपने अपने सब लीडर्स ने वो जगहें ली हुई हैं। हम लोग वहाँ पे कंबल से लेकर राशन सब बांट रहे हैं। लेकिन जो यहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री हैं वो ऊपर ही घूम के फ़ोटो खिंचा के, हेलीपैड पे ही फ़ोटो खिंचा के वो चले गए, वहाँ से भाग गए। और
Areas like Siraj, Tunang, Karsong and Nachan are worst hit. Homes destroyed, families displaced, and people crying for help. Rescue teams and administration are working tirelessly to restore roads, provide food, and reconnect communication lines. It's reported in Mandi and Chamba today, damaging bridges and triggering fish floods. Real-time rescue operations are underway. NDRF, SDRF, ITBP, local police actively conducting search and relief in cut-off areas. Public advised to avoid travel, stay indoors and follow emergency warnings. CM Sukhu has reinforced relief efforts. This is Uma Krishnani Kannati, AMG News, bringing truth and awareness to every home. Stay tuned and stay safe.